Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix EXE files not opening on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So the first thing that you want to do, guys, in case you have any EXE file on your PC that is not opening, just simply right click on that and go to Properties. From here, you will click on General and check to see if you have under the Attribute section Security, and it shows that the file is locked. You'll see the word unblock there, checked with blue, and you simply want to unblock that and click on apply and OK. Now the next thing you want to do is simply go ahead and right click on the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar and go to the settings, and from this time just simply click on apps on the left hand side. Now click on default apps right here, and you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Then from here, you will find reset all default apps. Just simply click on reset and reset those apps right there. Now the next thing you want to do is simply click the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar and simply type in registry, and you'll find the registry editor. Go ahead and open that. You'll find Windows user account control pops up. Just simply click on yes to open up the registry editor. Now at the top here, just simply go ahead and click there and just enter the following location. This is basically hkey underscore classes underscore root slash .exe, right? You can also follow the path and do that as well, but simply do that and click on enter, and it's going to find the path for you. Now double click on default from here, and you want to set the value data to exe file. If it's there already, no worries, just simply click on OK. Now we want to do this again, and this time you want to change the path, and you'll get both of these paths within the description in this video. But this is basically hkey classes underscore root slash exe file slash shell slash open slash command. Go ahead and hit enter right here, and it's going to take you over to this path. And you want to go ahead and double click on default, and you want to ensure that the value data that you can see on my screen here is there. And again, you will find these within the description of this video so that you can simply add them and click on OK. If it's there, go ahead and leave it as is, and then you can close out of the register editor. And last but not least, you want to go ahead and right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar, go down to where it says shut down and sign out, and you want to restart your computer. Go ahead and restart your computer, and once your computer starts back up, try again to see if that fixes the exe file not opening issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. If you find value here, guys, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if this helps. If not, then feel free to let me know. Feel free to let me know in the comments as well, and I'll be more than happy to help you fix the issue based on your circumstances. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.